All right, let's settle this argument once and for all. Who got the best fries? Arby's, Rally's, or Crinkly fries? Don't be scared, pick a side. I'm going to rake them, and somebody else definitely about to be mad. Number 3, Arby's. Don't get me wrong, the curly fries are good, but if they're not hot and fresh, they're just okay. Number 2, crinkly fries. A good crinkly fry is crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and perfect for dipping. And number 1, Rally. Those fries are seasoned. They don't even need ketchup. Crispy, salty, seasoned just right. They hit every single time. Now here's the real question. Who wins in your book? Arby's, Rally's, or crinkly fries? Defend your answer in the comments.